Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern bedroom window design ideas encompasses a diverse array of styles and features that emphasize both aesthetics and functionality. Large floor-to-ceiling windows are a hallmark of contemporary design, allowing ample natural light to flood the room and creating a seamless connection with the outdoor environment. These windows often feature sleek minimalistic frames or even frameless to maximize the view and maintain a clean and cultured look. For those seeking privacy while maintaining a modern look, frosted or textured glass can be incorporated, providing both light and seclusion. Sliding or folding glass doors have gained popularity, effectively merging indoor and outdoor spaces, especially in homes with beautiful landscapes or scenic views. Window seats or alcoves with built-in seating beneath expansive windows offer cozy nooks for relaxation and ready while taking advantage of the available natural light. Motorized window treatments such as blinds or shades can be integrated to provide convenience and control over light levels and privacy. Incorporating smart window technology is also a modern trend, enabling remote control and automation of windows functions, including tinting or adjusting opacity. Sustainability is another focus, with energy efficient windows featuring multi pane glass and low E coatings to enhance isolation. Modern bedroom window designs ideas prioritize not only aesthetics but also comfort, convenience, and sustainability, catering to the evolving needs and tastes of homeowners in the contemporary era. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.